Shalom, this is Yehudit Gold Farm from Sfat normally in California Redwoods right now in the Oakland Hills. I want to share with you the movements for the 11th day. We're just moving into the 11th day of the 40 days of challenge and centering. And it's getting dark here. It's after sunset. And I just felt like I really wanted to do a filming here among the redwoods. So we're moving into a new 10-day cycle, going down the Tree of Life from Keter to Malchut. We're still at Keter. And it's Keter of a new letter, though, of the divine name of Adonai, the Nun, combined with the Kamatz for Keter. The Nun is in the column, the third column of the name. So we had been in the world of Asiya. We're moving up to the world of Yetzirah with the Nun. And the pathway, according to the Ari of the Nun, is between Netzach and Yesod. So the colors in the rainbow system for Yesod would be red, and I took it off, I have a red scarf, but I'm thinking of doing the Zohar system on the way down. The Zohar system, it would be orange, and I have a orange sweater here, and yellow is Netzach. So I have the colors a little bit as well for the day, and a white blouse for the beaming white of Keter. So let me show you the movement for Nun. I'm going to have to get back enough where you can see my feet, I hope, because from the side, the Nun is a very subtle letter. It's half a step forward, and your hands come back to back and up. At the last minute, you switch your weight to between the 2 feet. And then it's back and down, and the foot comes back. And then the other foot, half a step forward, comes up. Your weight moves forward, comes down, and the foot comes back. This is a Nun from Adonai. Down, and up, and down. And the Kamatz, which we did yesterday, the Kamatz is a T-shaped vowel, the ah sound. You step to the side, hands back to back, coming up and open. Ah. 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 So as you may notice, there's a Kamatz here with very wide elbows and a little tail, and then it switches over at the top and opens out. So we're going to go down this time from Keter to Malchut, starting to the left with the Nun. Now I come forward with the Nun, and then to the left for the Kamatz. Nah. And then Chokmah on the right after the Nun. Nah. Bina on the left. Nah. And then right is Hesed. Nah. And on the left, Gevurah. Nah. To the right, Sefirot. double right. Nah. And I'll just stay on the right for Netzach. Nah. And hold on the left. Nah. Yesod on the right. This time I'm going to cross over. Nah. And a final crossover for Malchut, starting on the left and crossing to the right. Nah. And then letting Hashem breathe me, waiting for the breath. I mentioned with Keter, there's a sense of isness, of acceptance of what is now. And like I took advantage of being here in the woods, deciding I'm going to do this video now in this isness of this beautiful grove of redwood trees. And with the nun is the beginning of the world of Yetzirah, the emotional world. But at the level of Keter, it's all unified, it's all together in just what is the fullness of this moment, and appreciating that. And I bless you that you should have such an appreciation at each moment, whether it's a challenge or a recognized blessing, that you should keep your center and fully be present now.